Zone miss. Nahorda stops it back!
Now Horda drives strong to the basket. Power move is brought to you by Derby Age Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa lakas play.
When we talked about where he waited for Nahorda to come, Nahorda makes a nice little spin move and finishes.
Everyone engaged, pero ngayon, hinahanap na niya yung kanyang tira. Like, Nahorda! Guys in the corner. There's Leo Nahorda.
Cyrus Baguio over to Nahorda. Nahorda to tie! Oh, yeah! Deserved rest. Nahorda off the glass. Again with the kick back. Nahorda. Move. Nahorda spins and scores. Hand off. Nahorda. Yes.
11 points na si Aliado. So watch out. He's got 9 rebounds.
Outside shots when I went back in the last huddle. Ganun na naman ang sinabi ni Coach Deck.
3:21 remaining. Baguio to Ibanez. Here's Ray back and out to Nahorda. Nahorda. One-hander. Yes, sir. To make big plays. Here's Nahorda. 4-3. Oh, yeah! Nahorda to tie. Oh, yeah!
Back-to-back 3-point shots. Leo Nahorda now with 20 big points. 16 in the fourth period.
Nahorda pinagmamalaki ng Ilocos. Really coming to life and going to town here in the fourth quarter.
At buong load niya, no?
Hitting back-to-back 3-point shots. Scoring 20 points.